shoot him?
I'll shoot him.
Okay.
Defend the objective.
Where you at, Kates?
Everyone turn and blast him. Yeah, dude, I ain't regenerating. My screen's still red as fuck.
Just doing Kates.
Back out. Or else we're gonna accept their
There's a guy in
terms.
drugstore alleyway.
I leave the game.
What was the next match? Octane?
We don't have to play the next
Mission
one.
accomplished. A good day's
There's
work.
no more of a match.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Dude, they're gonna blow me up with messages because I was the one who told them.
Are you reporting the scores, Kate?
Yeah, so then he's gonna have to submit this video because we're gonna fucking challenge it.